Hi babes, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to DIY your regular black false eyelashes into a brown one, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how to DIY a brown liquid eyeliner and how to create a mascara. So guys, the first step is I went ahead to scoop out a bit of gel liner in brown at the back of my hand, and I used a makeup seal to make it liquid, and I went ahead to apply that on my lid. The good thing about this is the gel liner on its own, it is waterproof and it's transfer proofed, and the makeup seal help to seal it in place. Whatever weather you are under, this is not going to smudge, it's not going to move around, it's going to stay intact. Then I went into my flash palette, guys. If you're a makeup enthusiast or a professional makeup artist and you don't have a flash palette, guys, you are missing out. So basically, you can use that palette to do anything when it comes to makeup. So what I did was to scoop out the brown one at the back of my hand, and the heat in my hand will melt that really well. And I picked it up with a spoolie, a disposable spoolie, and just apply that on my lashes, and automatically I have a brown mascara, guys. And it is really beautiful because this is a creamy product. It's not that creamy product that runs, because I tested it under water and it didn't move. Then I'm going ahead to DIY my regular black lashes to a brown one. So I got the inspiration from a YouTuber's video where she used a typical brown eyelashes, but where I am, we hardly come by a brown eyelashes, so I had to DIY mine, rubbing the flash palette, the brown one, into the lashes. And the good thing about this is I have tried this makeup underwater to test if it is water resistant or transfer proofed, and the good thing is it didn't transfer. So it is really amazing that this arc will stand any weather, guys. So this is really amazing, and I feel like this brown lashes is the big thing right now in makeup industry. So what do you guys think about this? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty tips and hacks. Bye guys.